Tingkat pengangguran terbuka melesat dalam setahun. Sebelum pandemi, saudara, pada bulan Februari 2020, tingkat pengangguran terbuka masih di angka 4,94%. Badan Pusat Statistik mencatat jumlah pengangguran di Indonesia pada Februari 2025 menjadi 7,28 juta orang.
I feel that poverty in Indonesia has increased and is now a serious problem that needs to be addressed properly. A big reason for poverty is that many people don't have jobs. This often happens because they don't have access to good education and skills, so they are not equipped to compete to work. To solve poverty, the government needs a complete and connected plan. This plan should include making education and skill training more accessible, creating good job opportunities, and reducing the economic difference between people.
My opinion regarding the current soaring unemployment in Indonesia is that it is very unfortunate. The prices of basic necessities are increasing, but people have an income because it is difficult to find a job. In this digital era, it should be easier to find employment since access to information is broad and open. However, in reality, the recruitments for applying for jobs are quite strict, such as age limits, minimum work experience, and others.
In my opinion, this is a very bad thing, especially there are many unemployed people who still can find work, which increases the poverty rate.
My response to the state of Indonesian economic is quite sad because indeed economic problems like this will always exist in other country. But I think Indonesia is only getting worse over time, and that's the main problem. And I hope the government can handle it more seriously and better, even though I know our government really likes money, as you know, and they justifies any means to get it.
The poverty rate, which is always increasing, is also caused by the fact that job opportunities are difficult to obtain, so that many people continue to compete to get jobs so that they can have their own income.
If I became the Minister of Social Affairs, I would focus on improving the quality of education and creating training programs in various regions. I would also communicate and coordinate closely with other ministers, like the Ministers of Education, Health, and Public Works. On top of that, I would work to develop community empowerment programs.
If I become Minister of Social Affairs, I want to shift social assistance from merely helping people survive to empowering them to live independently. I will create a social assistance transformation program into an entrepreneurship program offering skill training and initial capital. For the homeless, I will provide affordable rental housing and include them in the same program to help them become self-sufficient.
If I the Minister of Social Affairs, I will giving everyone who doesn't have a job because I think everyone has strength that can be developed and they can make money from it.
If I become the Minister of Social Affairs, the first thing I will do is to sort out the people who work in the social field, because I want the people who handle the problem to be a people who already have good competence and quality. After that, I will make policies in the name of people and embrace all groups to move towards an advanced country with a good social condition.
My main priority is to accelerate poverty and improve social welfare. Even in I will strengthen social protection and community improvement program, especially.
Salma, and now I want to ask foreigners about social issue in Indonesia. Hi, what's your name?
Hi. My name is Pramudia Rajagantina.
Hi, my name is Trivena.
My name is Amanda Arabella.
My full name is Sedu Firdaus and people call me Yad.
Hello, my name is Nisrina.
Well, I think with the current situation and advancement of technology and digital era, there should be more opportunities for the employment, and of course more employments we have that can reduce poverty. But well, yeah, this is the fact, the condition that we have to face.
I think unemployment is one of the main factors of increasing poverty, because without job, people does not have a fixed income to meet basic needs.
I think the economic problem in Indonesia is very serious. Many people still live in poverty, and it's getting worse in some areas. Price of basic needs are going up, but not everyone's income increasing. This makes life harder for families. The government needs to focus more on creating jobs and making sure basic needs like food, health, and education are affordable for everyone.
I believe that poverty in Indonesia is caused not only by economic factor, but also by social inequality and urban development and policies that often fail to support the poor. This reflects an imbalance in access to essential services such as education, healthcare, and decent employment opportunities. Additionally, the lack of job opportunities, the high cost of living, and the impact of global economic challenge further worsen the situation. Social assistance programs are often poorly targeted and have not been effective in sustainably empowering poor communities.
I will definitely say that I am really disappointed because of what I am searched in online. I am searched that unemployment rate is increasing because our policy, our government policy didn't take responsibility of this. Especially the President of the Republic of Indonesia before Prabowo administrations, which is Jokowi, he has been said that bonus demographic will be benefit from young people, but actually the reality is not. And I think instead of making inclusivity policies for the young student, from the graduate from the university, he is not changing the rules, especially for the restrictions age and work, and that is making a terrible situation, I think.
I think if I were the Minister of Social Affairs, as the Minister of Social Affairs, I would focus to reduce the unemployment by empowering the poor through the practical skills training, and of course the skills that match in nowadays job market, especially in area like digital economy, agriculture, and local industries. And then I think we have to improve our social assistance program like PKH and BPNT, not just as aid, but of course we have to make it as pathway to employment by connecting the beneficiaries with jobs as a small business or something else. And of course I think we have to collaborate with private sector and local governments to make more job opportunities. And I think that's all. With these three strategies, there's gonna be a good way to reduce unemployment. Not only reduce unemployment, but of course we can reduce the poverty.
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I will focus on skill training or UMKM support and labor-intensive programs to create some jobs.
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs,
I will make programs that really help poor people. For example, I would give free training to help them learn new skills so they can get better jobs. I would also improve social aid so it reaches the right people and on time. Besides that, I would work with local communities to understand what they need and support them in starting small business.
If I were the Minister of Social Affairs, I would take the following strategic steps. 1. Prioritize empowerment by developing job skill training and entrepreneurship program to help individuals achieve economic independence. 2. Recognizing that poverty is often inherited due to poor education and health condition within family. I would strengthen basic service in education, health, and healthcare as long-term investment to break the cycle of poverty. 3. To prevent corruption or the misuse of social and funds, I would ensure that the social budget is managed with transparency and full public accountability.
I will make policy who think responsibility first. I will make everyone join in this policy that I make will benefit from everyone, I think. The policies that I will make is unemployment rate will decreasing by TPT or open employment rate, because if I make this open employment rate to the scale of what is the important thing to do first, I will cut the restrictions of age, because if I cut this, if I erase this, it will definitely make young people, especially young people who graduated from the university, came to the labor of work.